again, it's we welcome the Golden Jubilee celebration of KYN! It's 12 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen, so we welcome the Golden Jubilee celebration of Karbi Youth Festival! What a moment we are having here! We are welcoming the Golden Jubilee celebration of Karbi Youth Festival. And of course, the festivals have been going on since 1974, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, tonight we are welcoming these Golden Jubilee celebrations. The celebrations have started from now, and of course, next year it will be the Golden Jubilee of Karbi Youth Festival. What a moment we are having here. Festival! So are you guys excited? Let's welcome the Golden Jubilee celebration of Karbi Youth Festival, which I know and you. Alright, so how many of you guys are excited for Magdalene? Are you guys excited for Magdalene? Alright, let's cheer Magdalene with Chino and Nook this time. Are you ready? Okay, let's cheers together, ladies and gentlemen.